For this blocks, you know, we out here right now on a Sunday. They go and prepare up some Sunday dinner. Rice and peas, so for this up. Some chicken that's up on low temperature to fry out. And we have some vegetable going on. Here's the cabbage. Right, so we have the ribs. Crazy ribs, no lazy ribs. So this is how we get around on a Sunday right now. So we're in a bag right now. With the chicken in it. See me? One more now, it's a flour, a big bag of flour we have. Chicken, what a color they come on the chicken already, you know. Low temperature frying. Yeah. And so we have the cabbage over here, so yeah. Ready for going at this right now. You see it? So we get around on a Sunday.
The bone. Juicy. How easy it is to cut. And we falling off the bone. The gristle. The knife kind of does them, but you get it. And they like that. Team Curlew. Hey, you guys. This is what I cooked my husband for Sunday dinner. He got his fried chicken. He have his rice and peas. He have barbecue jerk ribs with some cabbage on the side. This is something I do every Sunday. He's bringing his culture back to the U.S. So this is his dinner. I just want to give y'all a quick peek of it. It looks so delicious, and it definitely is. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and serve my husband his dinner. Hi. Bye. Team Curlew, look at my husband eat his meal. Oh my God. Is it good?
Y'all know what it is?
Make sure he eat good all the time. You know what it is. It's burning his mouth. Team Curlew.